Okay, Charlie Key has persuaded me to go get Hungry Jacks. We're getting Hungry Jacks again because he has a coupon. He's wearing my hat, I'm wearing my hat. He's also wearing my glasses. I haven't got any glasses.
You mean my hat?
Because he's wearing my glasses. I don't want Hungry Jacks, but we're going to get some.
By the way, for today's session, I don't want to be included in your YouTube video.
Oh, okay. It's alright. Sorry. Okay, so it is very windy at the moment, and the waves today are 3 meters high. And Charlie was saying that on the Surfers app, the waves every day get starred ratings in terms of how good they are to surf in. And today there is 0 stars, which often means that there's no waves, it's flat, so there's nothing to rate. But it can also have the flip meaning of that it's extremely dangerous, and they're not even going to rate it because it's too dangerous, nobody go near. And that's what it is today. Too harsh waves to even swim in. So nobody, literally nobody is at the beach. And I can see the waves now, they look crazy.
It's all windy, as you can also hear from my video.
You can see they are crazy. Charlie's making a video as well. It's so windy. Now it is raining. Charlie needs to go to a bank. I was quite happily...
Wait, that's wrong direction.
I was quite happily sitting in Hungry Jacks. Charlie's taking me out. Oh man, this weather. What happened to sunny Australia? He needs to go to a bank and I just want Hungry Jacks. So Charlie, how did you find that meal?
Are you going to put that on your YouTube video?
Yeah, how did you find the meal? Out of 10?
That's so ridiculous.
Out of 10?
0.
I apologise, he's in a foul mood today. I'd give that a solid 6 Hungry Jacks out of 10 Hungry Jacks. 6 out of 10.
You just said that was the best burger that you had in the last couple of weeks.
In Hungry Jacks.
You're still going to give it a 6?
6 is a good rating. If it's a 6, I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Okay, and then I'll get in touch with you around, what are we now, 14th? I'll get in touch with you about...
Vinnie's is a charity shop.
2nd or 3rd of November.
We found one in Australia.
Perfect, mate. Yeah.
See you later, mate.
I've just bought a pair of shoes. I don't really need another pair of shoes. Onitsuka, and they look quite nice. There's Hayden. We are locked out of our apartment, number 25, because neither of us brought a key. Everyone else had a key, but they separated. So we're just waiting patiently here for Steve and Holly to come back. Our saviours have arrived.
Don't waste the space.
How could you forget your key?
I don't know. Looking for door stops in Kmart because our doors in our apartment keep slamming because of the wind. I'm also trying to find Ivan. I tried to film and talk then, but the wind, it's so windy today. My gosh. I'm picking up speed actually because of the wind on my skateboard. But yeah, crazy windy. It has, the best bit's gone, but we are listening to some great old school songs right now. It's still good.
It's alright.
Hayden,
Come on.
come on.
Right.
Callum, get in the shot. Is there another vintage song?
So, this is Holly Kay signing off Alex Malloy's vlog for today. It's been an exciting day full of thrills and skills, but we've all got to go to bed. It's been exciting. See you tomorrow. Subscribe down below.
Thumbs up, and then this, and then rock and roll.
Rock and
back
roll.
To thumbs up, back to okay, and then smack the camera lens.